Brussels sprouts are amazingly healthy for you, without a doubt. I know that some people don't like the taste, but trust me, these little cabbage-looking vegetables are so good for you. Hi guys! I'm Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel, continuing with our Food Fundamentals series. And in today's video we are talking about Brussels sprouts. I have some beautiful fresh Brussels sprouts here and their health benefits. Okay! Brussels sprouts are low in calories, but high in fiber, antioxidants and vitamins. Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamin C. Studies show that vitamin C contributes to heart health and a healthy immune system, and it can help with tissue repair. Vitamin C can help form collagen in the body, and it can also help the absorption of other iron-rich plant foods in the body, like legumes or spinach. Brussels sprouts are also rich in vitamin K. They can provide 173% of your daily vitamin K need. Because of this, Brussels sprouts can help you strengthen your bones. Vitamin K also helps clot blood, which is essential to stop bleeding. However, if you are taking any blood thinning medication, you should definitely contact your doctor first if you want to eat more Brussels sprouts or other vitamin K-rich foods. Cruciferous vegetables, just like Brussels sprouts, can reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a perfectly normal response of the human body, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to several chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer or diabetes. Brussels sprouts are high in antioxidants that are essential for your overall health, and they are important for your heart health as well. These antioxidants can also help stop cancer cell growth, and some other compounds in Brussels sprouts can help combat cancer too. The antioxidants can help kill free radicals, which are caused by oxidative stress, and that can lead to cancer. The fiber in Brussels sprouts is important for healthy digestion, and they feed the good bacteria in your gut. Increased fiber intake is linked to several other health benefits as well. It can help control blood sugar level, and it can also reduce the risk of heart disease and improve heart health. Brussels sprouts are amazing side dishes, and they are mostly consumed cut, cleaned and cooked. My favorite way to make Brussels sprouts is to put them in a plastic bag, add some salt and extra virgin olive oil, shake them together, and then bake them in the oven. The outside will be crispy and they will be so delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also leave us a comment below whether you like Brussels sprouts or not. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos for you guys every weekday, and share this video with a friend who might find it helpful as well. Until the next video, bye guys! At Bites Fitness, our mission is to become and stay healthy together with you. And we provide health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.